Welcome to our Burlington project. This home was completely lost in a fire that devastated the community. However, today, it stands as a testament to not only expert craftsmanship, but also resilience. When a home is damaged by a fire, it's not just about rebuilding, it's about reimagining. That's why when you step inside, one of the first things you'll notice is the beautiful open concept design, the high ceilings, and the premium finishes. One of the first things you'll notice when you step inside is this custom red oak staircase with matte black steel spigots and a red oak handrail. This living space was completely reconstructed from the foundation up.
When Patrick and I were designing this home, we wanted the fireplace to be more than just a focal point.
Fire damage is always devastating. However, it gives homeowners an opportunity to rebuild better than before. This bathroom was designed with relaxation in mind, and it features a large soaker tub, a freestanding shower with large porcelain slabs, and custom cabinetry, just to name a few. In order to maintain a cohesive and seamless design, we carried the same custom cabinetry and quartz finishes throughout multiple spaces inside this home. This not only enhances the overall aesthetic of the home, but it also adds a degree of elevated sophistication throughout the home. A new home build isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about practicality and functionality. That's why we incorporated built-in smart vents throughout the entire house to blend in the floors and the vents seamlessly. At 416 Construction, we offer two specialized divisions.
Our custom home division specializes in crafting homes mid to luxury, ranging from 2.5 to 6 million.
And then our natural disaster and fire restoration division specializes in rebuilding homes that have been damaged by natural disasters.